Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm going to be showing you where to find effective and trustworthy solo ad sellers so that you can have a reliable source in your Rolodex whenever you need to grow your email list or even if you just need to increase awareness for your next product launch. But before I get into the different types of websites and how to avoid being scammed and also how to increase your chances of sales when you're selecting a vendor, I just want to talk about what a solo ad is. So basically, a solo ad is an email-based advertisement that you can buy from an email list owner, and they're typically set as dedicated email. So that means the entire message is based around your product, services, and opportunity. So it's good to develop a network of providers who have a large quality email list, and the traffic is more receptive and more likely to make a purchase and use your products and services, if not now, in the future, because they're already opted in due to their own interest and agreement to receive such information. And also, if you're in a niche that's overly saturated and heavily competitive, this is a great way to give you the edge and grow your email list quickly and cost effectively. All right, so now that we covered the basics, the question is, where do we actually buy solo ads? Where do we start our journey? So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. And basically, I'm going to be showing you two different websites, and each website has their own benefits. So we're going to get into the details when it comes to every single one of them. And then I'm going to also show you how to get deals and stuff like that. So we're going to talk about everything else when it comes to buying solo ads. So buying solo ads is pretty much straightforward, and I'm going to show you two different sources where you can find sellers, and it's a lot easier these days. Back in the old days, you kind of had to have known somebody who knows somebody who had like a good contact list, or know like a good forum that had like these threads where you can find good solo ad sellers, and it will get refreshed like weekly. These days, you actually have like different sources, and I'm going to share with you two websites where you can basically find sellers. Now, I prefer the first one over the second one, but I'm going to give you a good overview of each one of them so that you know what you're working with and how to avoid being scammed and how to go about increasing your chances of actually making sales when you buy a solo ad from one of the vendors, and how to vet the vendors and how to read the reviews and stuff like that. So the first site is called soloadsx.com. Now this site is like kind of like a classified ads type site, like the Craigslist of solo ads. And it's pretty much just that. This is basically a place where solo ads vendors can come to place their ad, and it's not self-service, meaning there's no assistance behind the site. So these numbers aren't always entirely accurate. So like for an example, if you were to click on the read review here, it typically just goes straight to the vendor's website. Either they'll show you like a testimonial page, or it'll take you like a Facebook comment section where people are leaving their reviews for the solo ads. And what you'll find is also, if you click on where it says contact, it'll take you to the same exact website. So like it'll either be a contact page, or they'll just take you to the home page where there's like a bunch of information. So that's just to keep in mind with this website. It's like the Craigslist of solo ad sellers. So in this case, if you are interested in what you see after going over to their website, reading the reviews, and going through and checking out their information and seeing if it's a fit for you, what you have to do is you have to directly contact them and then make a purchase directly from the buyer rather than through like the system of the website. So it's not a self-serving platform. It's just more like a website that hosts different sellers' websites where you can go to individually from here. So it's more like a directory, if you will. I've used to use it myself. Personally, I've stopped over the years. One of the biggest reasons why I stopped using it myself personally, because it's not a self-serving platform, people can't really be held responsible if they deliver bad results. So this is really bad practice in the solo ad business, where basically people can come in and they can arbitrage clicks. So for an example, let's just say if this person is selling his solo ads for a set price, and then another person next to him is selling it for a cheaper price. Well, basically an advertiser can come in between, and then he can actually create a listing saying that, hey, I'm selling for this price. And what you do as a user is, what they do is you buy it from them, and they'll take the money from you and then just basically buy it from this person. And because it's an advertising, there's no way that you can tell whether the list that they have has been confirmed or not. There's no way of vetting the list, so you really don't know anything. They're just basically, this is just one of those middlemen situations. So that's just why I've stopped using it myself personally. It's just a very old style of buying. It's not a self-serving type platform. It's like I said, it's sort of set up like a Craigslist, a classified ads type website that just hosts different sellers where you can just go to, and then you follow their individual rules on how to make the purchase from them, rather than doing it through like a self-serving system type platform. Now, the website that I do like is called Udimi, and I've basically been using this platform since 2015. Now, this is a self-serving platform. It has different ways of going about finding sellers, and you can leave reviews, And the reviews here is all hosted on this actual platform, so you don't have to worry about going to anybody's like external website just to verify the information or even check them out. It's all self-hosted, sort of like an eBay type setup where they have like different reviews and even give you a percentage of how many of the people in the reviews, how many of those people actually made sales. And you'll see that in this little dollar sign here. So Udemy is basically a self-serving platform where you can buy and sell solo ads, and it's all inclusive. So that basically this checkout process is all on this website. You don't have to go to any external websites when you're checking out an individual seller. It takes you directly to their website. So for an example, if I were to click on find sellers, what you'll notice is you get a list of different sellers, and just keep in mind the first like 4 or 5 here are all promoted. And what you'll see on the right hand side is where like the dollar sign is. This is a percentage of all the people who bought from this seller who's actually made a sale from buying that solo ad. So they buy the solo ad and they get a certain amount of click, and then out of all of those clicks, how many of those people have actually bought something? And then they'll go back and review it, and they'll leave a thumbs up, and then they'll click the dollar sign on whether or not they made a sale or not. So, but just keep in mind these first 5 or 6 are promotions when you click on 5 sellers. And up here you'll see the filters, so you can basically click on how much you're willing to pay per click here, and then the ones as far as like the percentage, what do you want the percentage to be for the amount of people who bought clicks who actually got sales. And then you have the choice of choosing your niche in here, whether it be marketing, finance, health, mobile, social, or crypto. So they have the top 3 niches in here: marketing, finance, and health. Then you have the option for like repeat orders, which you want the percentage to be for that. Then you got ratings, as far as like if you want the minimal amount of ratings for in each individual seller. So as you can see, you got a whole filter system. And if you click on the drop down arrow here, you can even choose the main traffic source, like what country. So if you click on it, you can choose like the top tier countries, like the tier 1, tier 2, etc. Or you can just scroll through and then just choose whatever country that you're trying to get clicks from. And also you can choose the languages, and then you can also choose the ID verification, where you can choose if the seller has verified the ID through like this passport check that Udemy has, and whether you want the seller to be online or offline. So you have all these different options to choose from as far as like the filter system here. And the big thing here is you have a lot of control over what's happening with your advertisement. You know exactly what you're getting. One of the beautiful things about Udemy is if you pick one of the sellers, let's just choose this guy for instance, they actually verify the seller's identity through a passport check, and they also verify the seller's list through an automated system, and they basically can't sell unless their list is verified. So that's the really great thing about this website. You have a lot of accountability here. You don't have to worry about taking a lot of different risks. And this is very powerful because you're not going to have some guy just coming in and placing an ad and then arbitraging the clicks. Like everything is verified, everything, the list, as far as the list and the seller's identity. So you don't have to worry about getting arbitraged clicks here, and just having no type of accountability when it comes to where your clicks is coming from. And that's the most important thing, just making sure that the seller's list and their identity is verified. So let's just say, for an example, let's choose this guy right here, Brandon Sean. So we click on here, and so that's the first thing. And the second thing that's most important here is the filter. You can actually filter through like the spammy traffic. So you got like the option to choose only top tier traffic. You can choose people who have just a mobile phone, because the majority of people these days are just using their phones. Me personally, I want to have people who have a desktop as well, who are actually at their computer, because I find them personally just to be more attention and more focused on what it is that they're doing. So, but you do have that option to choose only mobile, and then you also have the Prime filter here. So this basically just gives you a boost in quality. It runs through the second filter, and it's only available to like the Prime members. So another thing you can do is you can actually add ad text. For an example, like if you have templates, you can choose what type of copy you want in your email subject line, and you can leave it in your ad text, and it'll come up through that drop down menu. So I've been using a pretty similar one for like since 2015, and it'll show you on the right hand side basically how many clicks you got. But these templates here show up underneath the drop down when you go to actually buy from the vendor. So you can just choose from your most recent one, or you can just choose whichever one you have currently, and it'll populate in here. And then also another thing you can do is you can go ahead and place the link text in here. And also another thing you can do is you can choose how many clicks you're going to get. So 300 clicks. And some of these sellers have like a baseline minimum, and they'll show you here like this is the seller's minimum is 100 clicks. And or you can even choose like their maximum of 1,000 clicks. So you have that option there. So my recommendation as far as increasing your chances when it comes to like the sales or making a sale is to do a thorough check of the reviews. Actually listen to it and read and watch all of the different testimonials. So you want to look for like the recent purchases of the seller. When is the last time they got sales? So you just want to go through the reviews, and as you can see, like the last time someone actually said that they got sales was June 1st, which is actually rather recent, and it seems to be the same person and it's pretty consistent. So this is good, and the majority of the people here actually get sales from this section here in 2022 from what I see so far. So this is actually good. And you want to just kind of like gather up a list of these different sellers who have like a high percentage of people who have made sales and have great reviews. So you want to actually read the reviews. But if you look on any one of the sellers and like the most recent reviews say that they don't have any sales, or there's like the ratio is very low in regards to how many clicks they got in comparison to the sales, then you just want to just avoid that one from now and just continue to keep going through the list of sellers and find a nice solid pool of sellers of people who got a high percentage when it comes to sales. So as you can see, this guy here, he has a 93% of the people who bought clicks from this guy made sales. And also, by the way, keep in mind, this assumes that you have a high converting checkout page and a high converting sales funnel. But assuming that you do have a high converting sales funnel, the percentage of people here who have said that they got sales is pretty high here. So you can just add that to the list. So actually I have a code that the user can verify their sale by putting it onto their website. So it's a very interesting and automated process that Udimi has solo ad buyers and sellers go through in order to have a legitimate and safe and fair consumer friendly system where people can go to develop a network of providers of good, high quality and reliable solo ad sellers that are trustworthy and have been verified as far as their list and their identity is concerned. So yeah, I highly recommend that you check out this website, udemy.com, and you can also go here if you like, and remember, this is just more so of a non-self-serving platform. Soloadsx.com is more like a classified eggs Craigslist type setup where they just host like different websites, and if you go to it, click on any of the information here, it'll actually take you to that person's individual website in order for you to buy the solo ads there. And as far as udemy.com, it's all self-serving, everything is inclusive, so there's a lot of accountability here, and you don't have to worry about your clicks being arbitraged with someone just placing an advertisement here in between two guys and then just taking your money and buying it from someone else where there's no accountability and their list hasn't been verified. So yeah, that'll pretty much be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description. I'll talk about everything when it comes to increasing sales and generating more traffic. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.